Hello, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video explains how to sell USDT on Kucoin. So once you log on to your app, you click on assets. Once you click on assets, if you actually set your fingerprints to log on to your account, you make use of your fingerprints. So now once you now log on to your account, you click on home. You now proceed to P2P. Under your P2P, you click on sell. Once you click on sell, you click on the amount. So let's say 48,000. You confirm. You now click on the payment methods. You scroll to the payment method you added, which is Kuda Bank. You confirm. You now look for people with Kuda. Then this person has the highest order. You click on sell. Once you click on sell, you come to this point. You now put 48,000. You now click on sell now. So you now enter your trading pin. You say the ad has been updated. So the price is now 14. So let's go and look for another person with a very good price. Let's make use of this guy. 48,000. You click on sell now. So now it's like this is the new price now. So let's go with the new price. You click on sell now. You enter your trading pin. So now once you now enter your trading pin, you now hold on till the person make payment to your account. You can as well chat the person up at this point. You now said, I am online. Just make payment. So you can send him this message. So let's wait for him to pay right now. So he already identified that he has paid. So let's check our Kuda Bank right now to see if the money is right there before we now release the USDT to him. So the money is here. We now proceed. We now proceed and release the USDT right now. So you now click on release crypto. You now click, after reading the terms and conditions, you click on release. Then you now enter your trading password. Transaction complete. So this is the easiest way to release crypto on Kucoin. If you want to sell your crypto on Kucoin, remember to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share if this video is helpful. Thank you.